How do you plan your meal so that you can get enough protein? In this series of 3 videos, I am going to show you how you can get enough protein in 3 situations. Situation number 1, you have money and you can get enough protein from animal sources. Situation number 2, you're in the middle and you can afford some animal protein, but you have to supplement it with plant protein. Then situation number 3, you're broke, you've got no money, and you cannot afford animal protein. Plants are the only sources of protein for you. This video is for the first situation, you have money. We are going to assume you weigh 56 kg and you are lean bulking. That means you are in a surplus of about 10 to 15%. Your daily caloric intake is 2,183 calories. Since you are lifting heavy weights, you need about 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kg. In this example, we are going to use chicken and rice. Now that you're bulking, you do not need as much protein as if you are cutting. The lower range of these protein requirements will be great for you. But since you have money, you can even afford to go above the required amount. This is how your meal might look like. 2 skinless chicken breasts, 300 grams of rice weighed when raw, and 60 grams of oil. This will be the macronutrient split of this meal, and you can cook it once per day, then divide it into 2 or 3 meals, depending on your preferences.